Imagine leaving home, leaving Earth, our blue oasis, and setting sail across.
How far could we go? And how long?
Our journey begins here, Louis, on Earth. From this cradle, we push beyond.
First stop, Mercury.
At the speed of NASA's Parker Solar Probe, the fastest object ever made, we'd arrive in about 40 days.
So close to the sun, and yet so far from home.
Earth's twin, Yind, but wrap in a deadly veil of acid and fire.
At spacecraft speed, we'd reach her in just a little over a month. A quick hop, but a dangerous one.
We glance back at our home scene. The only world we know that breathes life. Mars. The dream of generations.
At the speed of our current technology, it would take 7 months to reach the red planet.
For a chance to step onto another world.
Beyond the asteroid belt lies a giant planet, Jupiter, so massive it could swallow 1,300 Earths.
To reach it, nearly 2 years of travel, through frozen space, past the last warmth of the inner solar system.
Then comes Saturn, the ringed jewel.
And when you arrive, you'd find a world too beautiful to be real.
Voyager 2 took 8.5 years to reach it. 8 years of silence to glimpse a world no one had ever seen up close.
Neptune, the windiest planet in the solar system, 4.5 billion kilometers away.
To reach it, almost 12 years. By then, the sun is only a pale star in the distance.
And then Pluto. Once a planet, now a frozen frontier.
NASA's New Horizons took 9.5 years to reach it Wells, traveling at over 50,000 kilometers per hour.
It arrived in 2015, after a decade in the void.
The dwarf planet Eris is a small, dimly lit gray sphere against the absolute black of space.
A spacecraft would need nearly 25 years to get there.
Haumea, the spinning shard of ice, shaped like an egg, roughly 15 years away at our fast.
Makmak, another lonely dwarf, orbiting in the frozen dark, roughly 17 years to reach.
And finally, Ceres-Tulv, the tiny world between Mars and Jupiter.
Visited by NASA's Dawn spacecraft in 8 years. A world of ice and salt, where from Earth to the edge, the solar system stretches over 6 billion kilometers.
To cross it all, at the fastest speed we have ever achieved, would take a lifetime.
And yet, Nassim, we've already begun.